Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the problem that says Snapchat my eyes only not loading. So let's just get started. So suppose you're having a code and it says that Snapchat my eyes only not loading. So what you can do is just go to your settings over here, your profile, and then go to the settings and just go all the way down. And then you'll find this particular option which says in privacy control, it says clear data. Just go over there and then go to all the way down. You'll find this clear cache. Just go over there and just choose clear all cache, and it will take a few seconds, guys. And what it will do is it will clear all the cache data that you have in your Snapchat, and then it will ask you to restart your Snapchat. So basically it will go on your let's say this main profile, and then just check your Snapchat again and just try to have your my eyes only. Then it will fix, guys. It will fix and it is done, guys. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.